Welcome back to Krithika, the world of creativity. Today is incredibly special. I was originally planning a different illustration, but a simple shot I made about Lord Murugan's Om and Veil turned into something much deeper. I realized that today is Skanda Sashti, the day celebrating Lord Murugan's victory over evil. I truly feel this video is a blessing from the Lord Himself. As always, I start with my base layers. I am using the 8B pencil tool for a loose scribble to find the perfect balance between the sacred Om symbol and the divine veil. The veil represents wisdom and power, so I wanted its lines to feel strong and sharp against the flowing curves of the Om. Once the sketch feels right, I move to layer 3 for the final line art. I use the pen tool to ensure the edges of the veil are crisp. I delete my initial scribbles to leave one clean line art layer. Now for the colors, I have chosen vibrant green and deep gold to represent energy and divinity. Using clipping mask, I add shading to the veil to give a metallic, three-dimensional feel. Our community grew twice as fast this month. So thank you to everyone who hit that subscribe button. The magic happens in the highlights. These tiny spots of bright light on the tip of the veil signify the Jnana Shakti or the power of knowledge. I am also adding a subtle texture to the background to make the central symbols pop. And here is our completed digital tribute for Skanda Sashti. Whether it's in our art or our lives, may the veil of Lord Murugan remove all obstacles and bring us victory over our inner evils. If you felt the positive energy in this process, please give this video a like and share it with someone who needs a blessing today. Don't forget to subscribe for more divine digital journeys. Vetrivel Muruganukku Harohara.